not even 4 o'clock in the morning.
It's
Well,
not Four Loco.
it's
It's peach
Four
ice.
Loco.
It's not.
Let me smell it.
It's
It's
peach.
actually the drink.
It's peach ice green tea with natural flavor.
Natural flavor.
Natural. Yes.
Now, this is the
Which
guy
means there's
who's a over.
artificial.
This is a guy who's a Four Loco overdoser, and he's drinking peach brisk tea.
Green
That's
tea.
good. Green tea. You know. When are you going to get them braces fixed? That's a different story. All right. Will there be any Four Loco drinking today, or or are you going sober? You going sober? Oh no. Let me see. Oh, why did you do that? See, don't do that. Please don't. Oh my. It's 7 o'clock in the morning.